The Xiaomi Mi 9 Pro 5G launched yesterday in China. Let's go through the specs and also compare it to the Xiaomi Mi 9, of which it is the successor to. The design overall is extremely similar to the Mi 9, but there are some key differences. The camera setup is exactly the same. Both the hardware and the look is the same as the Xiaomi Mi 9, but I really like this new matte finish white color. The power button and volume rockers are the same, and the SIM card tray on the left hand side, again the same as the Mi 9. It is heavier and thicker than the Mi 9, but actually I quite like it. The Mi 9 is one of the lightest and thinnest phones around. This is not too much by any means. You get a much bigger 4000 mAh battery, 40 watt fast charging, 30 watt wireless charging, 10 watt reverse charging. Those are all upgrades on the Mi 9. The screen is the same size as the Mi 9, and from what I can tell, it is pretty much the same screen. You keep the water drop notch, and the bezels are again very similar to the Mi 9, if not exactly the same. It feels a little bit more robust than the Mi 9 because it is just a little bit thicker and bulkier, but it is still very compact compared to other flagship phones. Mi UI 11 has just been released by Xiaomi, although this one in the shop is still carrying Mi UI 10. A very, very familiar experience if you're a Xiaomi user. Now, Mi UI 11 will bring a host of upgrades and design changes, and it will come with the Mi 9 Pro when it's available for sale. More upgrades from the Mi 9 include a Snapdragon 855 Plus, and it comes with 8 GB of RAM, although it does go up to 12 GB of RAM too. That is going to make for a very quick and snappy experience. Now, the cameras are exactly the same as the Xiaomi Mi 9, although Xiaomi have said due to software improvements, you're going to be getting slightly better results overall. But you still have the ultra wide, the main 48 megapixel sensor, and the 2x zoom. Xiaomi have essentially kept the design and the camera the same, but bumped up all the other specs. More powerful and better battery life, and also 5G. So let's just put them side by side. I really love this new matte finish on the back of the Mi 9 Pro. It's similar to other Xiaomi phones, but other Xiaomi phones have a shiny finish, and this matte finish looks really great. Although it also does come in black too, if that's the one you want to go for. I actually almost prefer the slightly bulkier, heavier feeling of the Mi 9 Pro. And you can see the camera bump on the Mi 9 Pro sticks out less because the back is thicker overall. They haven't gone crazy with different design upgrades. Really, all of the upgrades in the Mi 9 Pro come internally. And it is more expensive than the Mi 9, starting at 3,699 RMB. That's about 20% more than you can buy a Xiaomi Mi 9 for right now, but we have all of those improved specs and 5G capability in the Xiaomi Mi 9 Pro. Overall, the Mi 9 Pro is, in China anyway, one of the cheapest 5G phones out there for sure, but a very familiar feel all round with both of these phones. Anyway, that's it for now, but I'll see you in the next one.